Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can create a leaf and vine pattern. Start by taking your 2 cords to the far left and pointing them down diagonal to the right. And then with the remaining 4 cords, we will be tying double half hitch knots around both of these 2 cords. Starting with the first cord here towards the left. Now we're going to leave off these 2 cords. I'm just draping it over my dowel rod to keep it out of my way. Now I'm going to take the next cord here on the far right and I'm going to kind of point it upwards, diagonal, towards the left, and then tie 3 double half hitch knots. Now I take the next cord on the far right and repeat tying 3 double half hitch knots. You just want to follow along the previous line we formed before. Now this time we're going to start on the far left, pointing it back down towards the right, and again tying those 3 double half hitch knots. Take the far cord on the left. Once again, tie 1 more row of those double half hitch knots. Just like that. Now we're going to take down those 2 ropes once again, and we're going to point them back towards the left, and we're going to use these 4 cords to tie double half hitch knots. So what's going to happen is that first cord is going to come right up here towards the top, so our little leaf kind of curls up and forms. Okay? So in that very first knot, that is where you want to pull it tight to help lock that knot right into place. Press it right up against that last double half hitch knot before tying the second knot to just lock it even more into place. Okay, and then just kind of help your project curve back around by just guiding where you want those leading ropes to sit. Just like that. So our first little leaf is now complete. And now all we do is repeat. So these 2 cords are going to just drape back out of my way. And then we're repeating the same process we did up here. So I'm going to this time though start on the left. So the far left cord points upwards. And then I tie my 3 double half hitch knots with the next 3 cords. After you finish that section, drop those 2 cords back down, and we're just going to repeat, this time sending those double cords towards the right. Just like that. And you can keep repeating this pattern over and over again until you have reached the desired length. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.